Last time, we went over the different form field types available in Flowfinity. Now it's time to take an in-depth look at lookup fields. Lookups are extremely useful because they allow you to store data in external applications and then retrieve that info in your primary app. By creating a multiple app relational database structure, you can store and update significant amounts of dynamically changing information, like HR records on employees, inventory and pricing lists, or customer and sales info in standalone apps. Then use lookups to bring it all together and create robust business process management systems using complex data models that you can create yourself without code. Let's create a list of services app, which we will then use as a source for lookups for our main app, Dispatch Technician. Open the Configure tab. Click Design New App. Give it a name and customize the icon. We'll go with List of Services. Create a description and a prefix for record IDs if required. Click Next. In the Form tab, click on Page 1 Title, then change its name to List of Services. Save the form. Next, create a frame for the app. We'll need 4 fields: service name, service price per hour, average service time, and difficulty level. Click on the default Title field. Change its name to Service Name field. Select its type as Input. Under the Layout section, define the field as mandatory in the default layout. This ensures that the record cannot be created if this field is empty. Next, click Add. Name the new field Service Price per Hour. This should be a money type field. Make it mandatory as well. Click Add once again to create an Average Service Time field. Set its type to Time Span. In the Increment drop-down, you can specify the minimal time span increase for your service. For example, if it can be done in 30 minutes, or if it requires an amount of time divisible by 30 minutes, you should set it accordingly. We'll set it to 30 minutes. This field should also be mandatory. The last field for this app is difficulty level, and it should be a numeric field. The number here will measure the overall difficulty of the service performed and will act as a multiplier for per hour payment. In future videos, you'll learn how to create formulas, and this field will be extremely helpful as an example. For now, just create it and tick the Allow Decimal Values checkbox. Click Save Form. Go to the Views tab. Click View All Records, then select Edit View. Open the Lookups tab. Check the Allow Other Apps to Look Up Records from this view checkbox. For both the Lookup Display Value and Lookup Data Value drop-downs, select Service Name. Click Export Field. This option allows you to assign which fields from this app will be exported to appropriate ones in another app when performing the lookup. Click Export Another Field 3 times so that all 4 fields from our current app are listed under Exported Fields. Go to the Layout tab. Select the fields Average Service Time, Difficulty Level, and Service Price per Hour to be visible in the view. Click Save View. Publish the app. Now we need to create a couple of records, the services that we offer. Let's make 3 new records here. In the Portal tab, find the List of Services app and click Add New Record. We'll create 3 services: Easy Repair, Medium Repair, and Difficult Repair. Type Easy Repair into the Service Name field. Specify the price per hour in the respective field. Let's say it will be $60 per hour. Set Average Service Time to 30 minutes. For all 3 records, don't yet fill in the difficulty level field. Click Submit and New. Fill in the data for Medium Repair. Let's assume its price is $75 per hour and an hour and a half is the average service time. Click Submit and New again. Repeat the process once again for Difficult Repair. Set the price as $100 per hour and 3 hours as the average service time. Click Submit. Time to connect this app to our Dispatch Technician app using a Lookup field. Go to the Configure tab. Click on Dispatch Technician, then select Customize. In the Work Order Details page, add a new field. Name it Type of Service. Set its type to Lookup. In the Parent App drop-down, select List of Services. As there's only one view, it will automatically fill in the Lookup View drop-down. Now, let's assign exported fields from our List of Services app. Click Assign Exported Fields button. In the Open menu, you can see 4 exportable fields from the List of Services app, which we recently created. There's also a column of available actions for these fields. Click Ignore near the Service Price per Hour field. Change this to the Copy To action. Then, in the right column drop-down, select the Price field, which matches its input type, money. Repeat the process with Average Service Time, which should be copied to Estimated Duration, both timespan fields, and leave Service Name and Difficulty actions as Ignore for now. Note that while the values change in the parent app, they are not copied into the child app, our Dispatch Technician one, if a checkmark Synchronize Export value is not enabled. Click Save Form, then publish the app. Go to the portal and add a new record to your Dispatch Technician app. Notice that now when you select a type of service, it will autofill the estimated duration and price per hour fields from the reference app List of Services. Well done! Now you can use lookup fields to add sophistication to your workflows by combining different apps. Consider the possibilities this opens up to create complex systems that could manage your entire business. In our next video, we'll look at improving user experience with rules for color coding records, so stay tuned.